Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook on the web or the app. This is where your address lives. Once signed in, go to the top right profile icon because that reveals account details. If you use work or school access, choose Switch Account or View Account to see the exact address format. Personal accounts show they're at Outlook. Com alias. Make sure to keep passwords handy for quick verification, and if you're on a shared device, sign out when finished to protect privacy. Once done with the profile menu, select View Account or Account Settings to access personal info. This is where Outlook lists primary and alias addresses. Navigate to Email Aliases or Personal Info. Outlook shows the exact address used for sending and receiving mail. If you see multiple entries, note which is labeled primary because that's the address others will use. If you signed in via a company, the address may include your organization domain, so recognize the full format before continuing. To finish, confirm the address by composing a new message. The From field reveals which address is active. If the address is missing, try signing out and back in, clear cache, or use account recovery to check alternate aliases. For work accounts, contact your IT admin. If a test email bounces, verify domain spelling and aliases. Remember, if you still can't find it, checking the account security or email aliases page usually surfaces hidden or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.